Guys, the package is here. Alright. Hey guys, it's Grun, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today, we unbox my green screen and my streaming light. Is all stuffed in this box? I'm gonna hand this box, dude. You sure it's all in here? And now that we have this thing slit open, and right on top, we have the ring light. And here we have our green screen. Pretty sturdy. It's not gonna rip on me easy. Green screen. That's what this is right here. I talked to Mikey about this beforehand because I was thinking about it, and I was like, well, what if it doesn't come with the legs? Because I didn't see anything on there where it mentioned the legs. It doesn't have the legs. It's just this. So I guess we'll have to figure something out with that. Now this little piece is just to snap it onto something, and you stick the light on the top. And this thing moves around 360 degrees, so that way you can adjust the light however you want to. This will be good for streaming. It's got some adjustment buttons here. You can see. On, off, minus, plus, whatever, this little rotating thing. I guess we'll find out when we set it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this up the only way I know how, using something else that didn't work to make this work. Now what we're gonna use this for is we're gonna set this up behind my monitor here and attach the light to this. You just don't want to clamp it on the screen because, you know, when you clamp it on the screen, it's just gonna, if it doesn't, I might completely ruin this thing. So definitely, if you guys were gonna plan on doing the same thing I'm doing, probably wait and see what happens before you do it, because I might screw this up. So don't follow right along if you're doing this part. I doubt that you are. I doubt that you guys are doing the exact same thing with the microphone. Oh, yep. As you can see, some pieces have fallen off. Good thing that River's here to film this, because we can watch closely, just in case we forget how the heck all this stuff goes together. But now we have this thing right here. This will kind of act as our arm for our light. Yes, this will work. It's kind of like one of those lamp things. Show the lamps thing. The lamps thing? This lamp, where is it? Okay. Now that we have our ring light plugged in and attached to our microphone's little arm here, we can come on down here to our plug and switch it on. Oh. Oh wow. Look at that. River!
Yeah, I see it.
It's bright, isn't it?
Turn your light off.
Now that's gonna boost our streams. Look. Here we are. This is our full view of the webcam. Now that we got our light going here, that's what we're working with.
Wow, look at that.
Wow, it's blurry right now. Hold on. Finger. What? I would be filming this on the webcam, but it's just not gonna do that while I'm doing this, unless it will, and I'm just an idiot.
Fine.
This is minimum.
You sure?
Yes.
Keep going.
This is minimum.
It went down one more notch.
No, it didn't.
That's minimum.
Lies. And then this is whatever the freaking little loop button does.
What's that do?
It's changing the color.
Wait, do it again. Let me look at it direct. Oh, okay. That's kind of a, yeah, okay.
Green screen didn't come with the legs, otherwise we'll set it up like this. But me and Mikey will have it set up so that way I can get in and out of here while streaming, use it for whatever we please, pictures, so on and so forth. We can even green screen River into videos when he's not here. We're gonna set it up to where this is behind me like this, and since it's about 5 feet, it'll come out to just about right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button if you enjoyed this review unboxing video, and smash that subscribe button and click that bell so you never miss an upload. Comment below what you guys thought about this, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then.
Goodbye, everyone.